unboxing with me. So, this is my first time to have an Alberto bag, guys. So, regalo lang sa akin. Last time, ang regalo sa akin is this one. The brand is Matthews. So, thank you so much again. Today, let's unbox this Alberto's bag. So, first time ko magkaigwas ang bag na medyo mahal, guys. Kasi, kung hirap ang bakal ng mga bag is sa TikTok lang and barato lang. So, let's unbox it. Actually, nakita ko na siya but I want to share it with you. So, I choose a black bag. Yan. I-unbox ko na siya because I'm going to use it now. So, we bought this ang 28 pa and I am just holding back. Para di ko siya danay magamit. Kaya gusto ko pa i-unboxing. Content ko yun, di ba? Look at that. Parang Chanel. Diba? Let's see. Buksan natin, guys. Ayan. May another pa siya na ano. Secured talaga yung things ko dito. Kuha na natin ang mga plastic. And this is ginakuha ba niya? Okay. And the price is char lang. And here it is, diba? Super classy. Thank you so much, Ate Ann. And of course, hindi lang bag ang ato ni unbox. So, I have also here another gift. Naka-wrap kasi siya. So, sabi ko, isasabay ko na lang siya sa akin pag-unbox ng bag. And, ito din, there's a lot of things na ilagyatin sa akin. Damo sila sang dala. There. What is this? Ay. Oh. Look at that. Ano siya? Hand cream. This is hand cream, guys. Dua. So, siya na. And, siya. Shea milk. Soup. Ala. I love it. Thank you so much.